Aku banyak takutnya, misalnya kehilangan dirimu sekali lagi dan patah hati. Perasaan sendiri bukan hal yang aku suka.
Hello, Nabila Charita is here, and today I would like to begin with a simple but important question. Have you ever felt that your grades are more important than who you are? As if the number on your report card determines whether you are intelligent, successful, or even worthy. See in childhood, we have been raised with the same pattern. We are praised when we have achieved high score, we are compared with our results are lower, and we are pushed to do better when we fail. Over time, we learn to believe what grades are everything. Without realizing it, we begin to connect ourselves with numbers. The issue is that our education system still places grades are the center. Exam become the main focus, ranking become the standard, and report card become the measure of success. So, data from Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development through the PICA study show that many students in Indonesia still struggle with reading, comprehension, and logical reasoning. This indicates that although students take exam and receive score, their ability to understand and think critically is still limited. This is where the problem lies. The system encourages students to focus on results rather than the learning process. Many students end up studying by memorizing. They focus only on that will appear in the exam. After the exam, the information is quickly forgotten. It is not truly understood, only temporarily remembered. This creates a repeating cycle. Study, test, forget. Study, test, forget. Over time, students are not trained to think critically or understood concepts deeply. The pressure also comes from many directions, from school, from family, from the surrounding environment. Students are expected to always achieve high score. They are expected to rank at the top. They are expected to meet high expectations. When they fail, many immediately feel that they are not good enough and begin to lose confidence. In reality, every individual has different strengths. Some are strong in communication, some are creative, and some are capable of critical thinking. However, these abilities are often overlooked because they are not measured by the current grading system. Now, let us reflect honestly. If grades truly reflect a person's ability, why are many successful people in the real world not always top students? If the purpose of school is to learn, why we are more afraid of getting bad grades than not understanding the reason? And most importantly, do you study because you want to learn or because you are afraid to fail? Perhaps the problem is not the student. Perhaps the problem lies in how we define education. As long as we remain the main standard, many other potential will continue to be ignored. Education should help us thinking, understand, and grow as individuals, not just collect numbers. So now the question is simple but important. Will we continue chasing grades or we will start valuing our learning? Thank you for listening.